Hi, my name is Barbara Harrington. Today's date is February 21st, 2018. We're going through the anatomy of the urinary system using our fetal pig this week. So let's dive in. All right, so in order to observe the kidneys here, we actually had to remove the small intestines and the large intestines, and I had already removed a kidney in this area, as you can see. I'll point that out later. So normally, yes, there are two kidneys. The structures that we can see here, we have the renal vein and renal arteries are usually connected right here in this area. It was really hard for me to kind of find those structures though. I don't know if maybe the pig it was too small for me to find, but I couldn't really find the renal arteries and renal veins when it was actually connected. I was able to find it better once I disconnected the kidneys from here. We had to cut through the peritoneal membrane that was around the kidneys, and the peritoneal membrane is used to help protect the kidneys. Also, kidneys have fatty tissue around it to also help protect the kidneys, which we had removed prior to observing this structure we see right here. So we have the inferior vena cava is right here, this structure. Again, the renal vein would be around here or around here. We even kind of see the blue marking in this area where the kidney is missing. So that would be where the renal vein would be, and then the renal artery would be down here or over here also. And then we also have the aorta, which is the our largest artery in our body system. And then down here are our ureters. They're kind of hard to see also in this area with our fetal pig. With the kidney structures, we also did a dissection of sheep kidneys, and then this is a pig kidneys. So with the sheep, we were able to observe the structures a lot better than the pig. Right here with the pig kidneys that I did remove, as I said, I was able to find the renal artery once I was able to remove it, so that's this little flap. Right here, the renal vein would be a little bit harder, but it would be like right here. We can kind of almost see a little tiny vein at the top right here, but it's really hard to see. Again, these are a lot smaller. The renal medulla is this inner portion right here, and the renal cortex is kind of on the outside right here. Like I said, here is our sheep one, which is a lot easier to observe. We have our renal cortex is this outer portion right here, and you can also see color-wise it is a lot lighter than our renal medulla that's right here, this darker portion, the inner portion of the kidney. This is our renal artery right here. And then this little structure up here is our renal vein. So that's about it for this week with our urinary system, comparing our pigs and our sheep kidneys and dissecting our pig. Thanks for tuning in.